Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 10 divide 2 divide 10 divide 2. So let's start with today's video solution. So this expression looks simple, but still many people fail to solve because what they do, 10 divide 2 as 5, 10 divide 2 as 5 and 5 divided by 5 as 1, which is the wrong answer and wrong approach. Yes, you had it right. When same operation repeating itself like in this expression division, division and division, then always solve from left to right. So it's 10 divided by 2 divided by 10 divided by 2. So 10 divided by 2 divided by 10 divided by 2 it becomes. So this becomes 5 divided by 10 divided by 2. 5 divided by 10 is 5 by 10 divided by 2. So it's 1 by 2 divided by 2. So there are two different things, that is 1 by 2 divided by 2 and 1 by 2 multiply by 2. In this case, the answer is 1. But in this case, you have to change the symbol from division to multiplication and it becomes 1 by 2. So it's 1 by 4. So what is the right answer? 1 by 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.